Claude Skills is the open standard that teaches Claude how to do your work. Think of it as a textbook for your AI. In this guide, you will discover built-in skills, create your own from a chat, upload skill files, and automate real tasks. Let's get started.
A skill is one folder with a file called SKILL.md. That file holds instructions that teach Claude a specific task, like writing in your brand voice or generating a presentation. A skill can be a few lines or a full package with scripts and reference files.
It is a reusable manual for your AI.
Skills follow an open standard released by Anthropic in December 2025. One skill file works across Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Codex, and more than 40 platforms. Your skill is never locked into one tool. Write it once, use it everywhere.
Before you start, open Settings, then Capabilities, and make sure code execution and file creation is on. Skills work on every plan, from free to enterprise. On team and enterprise plans, an admin enables skills in organization settings. That is the only setup you need.
The fastest path is the built-in library. Click Customize in the sidebar, open Skills, and press Browse. You will find Anthropic's example skills, like Theme Factory, Algorithmic Art, and Canvas Design. Each one has a toggle. Turn them on, and Claude uses them.
Want a skill made for your work? Press the plus button, choose Create with Claude, and describe the task. Claude Skill Creator drafts the SKILL.md file, tests it against examples, and saves it. You just refine the results. No code needed.
Have a skill folder already? Zip it with the folder at the root of the archive. Then go to Customize, Skills, press plus, and choose Upload a Skill. Pick your zip, and the skill appears in your list. Toggle it on, and you are ready.
Skills trigger automatically. Claude reads every description and picks the right skill for your request. No need to call it by name. If it does not fire, just say, use the skill name, and Claude loads it. That is the override.
Anthropic ships document skills for PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and PDF. Ask Claude to create a presentation about your quarter, and it writes a real PowerPoint file you can open. Same for spreadsheets, documents, and PDFs. Real files, not just text.
Skills follow you into Claude Desktop. Chat, Cowork, and Code share the same skills list, so install once, use everywhere. In Cowork, pair a skill with a scheduled task, and Claude does the job on time, even from the cloud.
Developers drop skill folders into Claude Code. Personal skills live in the .claude skills folder, and project skills live with your code. Type /skills to list them, or /skill name to run one. Plugins add whole bundles of skills.
4 fixes solve most problems. Grayed out skills mean code execution is off. Failed uploads usually mean the folder name does not match, or SKILL.md is missing. A skill that never triggers needs a clearer description, and new skill folders need a restart.
You now have the full loop. 1. Browse built-in skills. 2. Create with Claude or upload a zip. 3. Let skills trigger automatically and override when needed. Pair skills with MCP connectors. Keep them focused and keep testing. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy building!